In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your form's thank you page. This is a crucial part of creating a smooth and engaging experience for anyone who interacts with your form, as it ensures that your respondents feel appreciated and informed about the next steps. By the end of this guide, you'll confidently manage this aspect of your form setup. Let's get started. To begin with, navigate to your form builder. Once you're there, look for the settings option. It's typically located towards the top or side of your interface, designed to be easily accessible given how frequently you'll need to adjust settings. Click on it, and you'll see a variety of customizable options for your form. Once you're in settings, the next stop is finding the thank you page section. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to choose exactly how respondents will conclude their form submission experience. Now you have a couple of options here. You can either customize the thank you message itself or choose to redirect your users to a different URL entirely. If you opt for customizing the message, think about what you want to communicate. Perhaps you want to express gratitude for their time, provide further information about what happens next, or just leave a positive message that reinforces your brand's image. This is your opportunity to personalize the experience and make it memorable, so take a moment to consider your tone and wording carefully. A straightforward thank you for submitting might suffice, but adding something more personal or actionable like, "We're thrilled to receive your input and we'll get back to you soon," can create a stronger impact. Alternatively, if you decide that redirecting to another URL is the better choice, enter the destination URL into the field provided. This could be a page that offers more in-depth information, a resource hub that the respondents might find useful, or even a place where they can engage with your content further, such as a blog or social media page. Make sure the URL is correct and that the page it leads to is functional and user-friendly to avoid any possible frustration or confusion on the part of the user. Having determined your preferred thank you page option, it's crucial to save these changes. Look for the Save button, usually prominently placed to facilitate easy access. It's essential to ensure that any hard work customizing messages or URLs is locked in, securing your efforts for the future. That wraps up today's tutorial on customizing your form's thank you page. Remember, a well thought out conclusion